Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. My name is Juhita, and today I have something super exciting for you. So, I'm here with a product review. The product that I am reviewing is this. Yes, that's right. The L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. These guys have a micro essence, a crystal micro essence serum that has been available in the market for a long time. And I know a lot of YouTubers, a lot of Instagrammers are using this, and they really swear by this product. So, when I found out that this was coming, I was super excited to get my hands on both of these and try them out for you guys. Firstly, let me get on to the ingredients of this cream. So this cream has salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid is an amazing ingredient to deal with acne. Specifically, it's an acne treatment ingredient. So I have been using salicylic acid based products throughout this year simply because we are all wearing masks and I'm getting a lot of acne because of masks. I'm not a naturally acne prone person. I do get hormonal acne from time to time, but because of masks I am getting acne a lot more. So while I was using this one, I didn't have a mask acne per se, but I had an acne right here. It was quite painful, and I used this for 3 to 4 days, and that really subsided for me. Obviously, it took a couple more days for it to actually heal entirely and for it to not have that little flakes and stuff. But it definitely worked to reduce my acne. Salicylic acid honestly is a great ingredient to actually deal with acne in a very simple, effortless and non-intrusive way. For that I'm super excited that finally we have a cream that is actually dealing with salicylic acid. Coming to the benefits of the product, so firstly what they say is this product penetrates 10 layers deep. Now I'll just show you the formulation very quickly. This is a gel kind of a formulation which has become really popular nowadays, and I'm so glad to see it because I personally really love this kind of a formulation. I started using a product with this formulation in the summertime and I haven't stopped since then. So I'm really happy that L'Oreal has come up with this kind of a gel format for their cream. This really does penetrate deep, and it really makes you feel very hydrated. Also, this formulation is great for oily skin type of people because it's an oil free formula and it actually helps control oil production for up to 8 hours. That's what they say. Honestly, for me, I have normal to dry skin. I do get a little bit of oil here, but not as much as an oily skin type person would get. I have definitely noticed that when I apply this, I don't get that excess oil production on my skin. So that's definitely a plus. The third thing that they claim is that this product defines and minimizes pores. Now again, if you're the oily skin type, you might have slightly enlarged pores. So what pores are essentially the little micro dots kind of a thing in your skin that help your skin to breathe. It's there's no other way to explain it pretty much. And for some people, those pores get enlarged because of excess oil production. What this will do is kind of tighten that up a little bit for you, so it gives you the appearance of a really smooth skin surface without needing to use like a pore minimizer, etc. So this will work at a skin level. What I also like is now this product is clinically and dermatologically tested. In fact, it is recommended and validated by this doctor called Dr. Ophelia, who's an award-winning consultant dermatologist who specializes in cosmetic and general dermatology. So it's definitely a product that has gone through a lot of research, and honestly with L'Oreal Paris, I don't think you need to worry about the formulation and the benefits. They do have a very rigorous process of testing something before it comes into the market, so I would trust them anyways, and I'm sure anybody would. Now let me quickly show you the texture. So this like I said, is a gel kind of a texture. Let me do a swatch for you so you can see it's almost a watery texture, and it will absorb really deeply into your skin. I have been using it for about a week and I'm really happy with this. It will take a little long to dry on your skin, but I think that's also a plus because it is providing that much hydration to your skin. So obviously it's, if you're splashing a lot of water into your skin, that water will take a little longer to settle into your skin, but it will also stay longer. So those extra 10-15 seconds are actually going to be worthwhile throughout the day for you. You can apply it day and night. Let me also do a little swatch on my face so you can see what I mean. Just see this, it's an oil free formula. You don't get like an unnecessary shine. You do get a little bit of hydrated look without getting excess shine on, or like a lot of oil sitting on your face. So yeah, that's something I definitely like. Overall, I think it's really a great product, to be honest. I actually really enjoyed using it, and it's something I would definitely recommend. It's something that can really be a part of your routine, especially in the current scenario where like I said, I like using salicylic acid on a regular basis simply because of the whole mask situation, which gives a lot of acne. If you're acne prone, it's a definite buy for you as well. So this gel cream is available in two sizes. The first size is the 15 ml pack, which retails for rupees 299. Honestly, I like to start out any cream with smaller sizes, any kind of new product with smaller sizes, because it helps you to understand how your skin is receiving that product, how it's working for you. So I think that's a great entry point. Having said that, if you like me have used this kind of a formulation and the ingredient for a while, you can actually go for the 50 ml tub directly. This is the 50 ml tub and it retails for rupees 699. So do check out the link that I'll mention in the description box below. See the product and buy it, and it will definitely be value for money for you. So do check it out. Final words, I hope you guys like this review. If you did, please remember to give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends, drop me a comment below, let me know what you guys think, and also please subscribe to my channel. That really would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.